Hello guys, welcome back to the Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis, technical analysis over on Coinbase, ticker coin. Now quickly, yes, we do have the Bitcoin futures up. Reason for this was I just want to quickly show, obviously Bitcoin had that big bounce before. Obviously we went from around 20,000 to around 29,000 relatively quick. Obviously on this news, and we can kind of see Bitcoin still kind of near those highs around 2,700. 27,000. Now on Coinbase, we've had that same kind of move. It did that big push up like Bitcoin, but really we're not as near those highs. You can see we're currently trading around kind of that $64 range. So kind of, yeah, you're really just showing us that it's definitely underperforming Bitcoin as of now. That's kind of just a divergence I wanted to point out before we get straight into the technical analysis. So now what are the key things to be noting? So obviously we're at $64. From a resistance perspective, we have that $71. Now what is key to note, obviously on the 4 hour we had that strong sell-off. We pulled back to this level, confirmed it and pushed down. What this really tells us is, again, that resistance was confirmed. We are most likely going to continue lower. So seeing us move to around $52 wouldn't be unlikely, and that would kind of be my expectation. I would be putting more money that we push down to 52 than we do back to 71. So that's what I'd be paying attention to. Obviously, be paying attention to this 66 where we are now, because that is also a level. So just be watching. If we start maybe breaking above it, again, even if it's just on the 5 minute or so, breaking above it, testing it as a support and holding, then potentially we could be looking more for an upside move. But really, overall, it's still looking a bit more bearish. If we did break high though, just quickly note resistances. We do have one more at $80, and for an extreme break we do have 95 and 105. But again, probably more bearish on this stock. So what are kind of the key supports? So obviously $52 is statistical mean on the 6 month. We also have $36 as the statistical mean on the 1 year. Now, if you watch this channel before or you understand statistical mean, you know I don't like trading within this range if I'm trading off technicals, and the reason for that is this is considered a fair value. That range is just a fair value on the stock. So if I'm trading from a technical standpoint, there is no trading edge trading within that area. Now, if we break to the downside, obviously through there, then there are potential supports I'm paying attention to, and that would be at $23. And kind of a 9.25, but very far off from where we are now. Probably not something I'd be paying too much attention to. If I'm looking to trade Coinbase right now, it may just be having kind of a small size short in the expectation that it'll go back down to 52, but considering, a bit late to the trade, normally I'd be getting in at $71, $72. Considering it'd be a bit late, I definitely wouldn't be using full size, definitely be using probably quarter size on that kind of trade. And really the only other trading opportunities I have is if we kind of break to a fresh deviation, which in this case would be 95. So really Coinbase, not something I'm really too interested in as of right now. I think the levels are kind of just in annoying or kind of far off areas. I think it would just be easy to stay away from this stock. And I'm personally just looking at other stocks to be trading as of now. But thought I'd still point it out because it is a big mover today. And obviously it is diverging quite a bit from how Bitcoin is currently moving as well. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.